Hi guys, in today's video we're going to run the code to show you what it's doing. So the first thing you see the libraries, we import the libraries. Then after the libraries, then those are the function where you see def. Those are the functions, all of them. When you see def, it's a function. Just know that it's a function. Okay, for this one, try, it's under the main function. As you see, try is under the main function, but the rest of the code is under try. So you see from cap until f until while is true, it's they under the try. But when you see while is true, all of this code from start time all the way to if statement, the one if statement, so it's under while is true. So this part is whereby when you after your frame you click and that one of the CV wait key, it's a part where you press escape, so if you want to remove the frame. Okay, so in order for this code to run, so we need to have a main function at the end. As you see, the main function, so this one is exception as e, this print is e, it's under the exception part. Finally, as you see, finally there are two things under finally. It's cv destroy all windows, cv dot release, and after that it's a main function. So without that your code won't run because you need a function. So yes, so you can run the code there or there, so it's up to you. So let's run the code and see what it does. Okay, we're going to first start with our laptop. We start with our laptop webcam. Okay guys, my apologies for this because while I was recording the video the sound wasn't coming out, so I had to upload this video because I tried to record this video so many times with my mic, so there's something wrong with the software I'm using to record the screen. So okay, secondly we're going to change the device. So you see, change it to 0, meaning I'm using an external webcam now because it's high, it has high quality than there's high quality than the one that I'm using from my laptop. So as you can see, it's detecting cycles. So if I had 4 hands, I was going to show all the cycles, 4 cycles. So it's detecting more than 1 cycle at a time. So there are a lot of things or application you can do with this tutorial. So you can learn, then maybe you place different shape inside the box, then you tell it to only detect cycles, so you do that. So as you can see, it's detecting both of them at the same time. It doesn't take one, but it takes more than 1 cycle at a time. Thanks for watching guys.